In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM. We'll walk through a quick setup inside Zoho CRM that helps your WordPress site pass contacts into your CRM reliably. The idea is simple. Prepare Zoho CRM from the inside so it's ready to accept data through a trusted Google connection that many WordPress tools can use as a bridge. If you have admin access to your Zoho account and a Google account ready, you're set. Start by opening Zoho CRM and landing on the home area. Make sure you're signed into the correct organization and that your role has permission to change settings. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Zoho's layout can vary by edition. The home screen is your hub. We'll move from here into the configuration pages. From the top bar, open Setup. It's typically represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner. Setup is where you manage everything from users and security to integrations and extensions. So it's the right place to prepare the link that will support your WordPress workflow. Give the page a second to load fully so all options populate. Inside Setup, look for Marketplace. This is where Zoho organizes official integrations and add-ons. Open Marketplace, then locate the Google category. If you don't immediately see it, use the search field and type Google to filter results. Select Google so you can access the available Google-related modules and connectors. We'll use the Google Contacts option because authenticating it establishes a secure channel many WordPress tools can leverage to pass leads and contacts into Zoho CRM. On the Google Contacts page, click Authenticate Google Contacts. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the correct Google account you want tied to this integration, review the requested permissions, and approve. If a pop-up doesn't appear, disable any pop-up blocker for the site and try again. Once approved, Zoho will confirm the connection. You may see a status indicator noting that Google Contacts is now authenticated. That confirmation tells you Zoho is ready to accept contact data through this channel. With authentication complete, your Zoho CRM is prepared for WordPress-driven contact capture that routes through the Google connection you just enabled. If you ever need to review or disconnect the link, return to Setup, open Marketplace, go to the Google section and manage the Google Contacts connector from there. Re-authenticate if you change passwords, accounts, or encounter permission errors. That's it. You opened Zoho CRM, went into Setup, found the Marketplace's Google section, and authenticated Google Contacts, setting the foundation for a smooth WordPress to Zoho CRM flow.